How to get Drill Containment Unit in Terraria, so you absolutely cannot obtain this mount before finishing the entire game. It is strictly locked behind defeating the Moon Lord and collecting the Luminite ores to craft the Luminite bars at the Ancient Manipulator. Second is you are required to undertake a massive mining and crafting grind across every stage of your world. So you will need some Chlorophyte bars, Luminite bars, Shroomite bars, Spectre bar, Hellstone bars, and the Meteorite bar. So as you can see right here, it will require 40 of each of the bars right there. And once you have all 240 required bars in your inventory, just stand next to a mithril or orichalcum anvil, as you can see right here, to basically craft the item. So you need this mount to instantly obliterate massive sections of blocks for large-scale building projects, but be warned that its lasers cannot deal any damage to enemies whatsoever. But as you can see right here, it has crazy mining capabilities just like that. That is how I basically get the Drill Containment Unit in Terraria.